Hey guys, it's Shannon. So today I'm going to share with you how I created these really simple floating shelves for our coffee bar. So let's get started with the project. I used 1x6 pine for this project, and you want to measure the length to fit your space. However, mine was about 4 feet long, just for your reference. I used my compound miter saw to cut these down to size, but you can also ask the hardware store to cut them down for you as well. When cutting my boards down, I like to trim off the end, the raw edge, to square it up and also give it a nice even finish before I cut the board to length. Once my two 1x6s were cut down to size, I used 80 grit sandpaper and my orbital sander to give it a nice clean finish. If you'd like sneak peeks at some upcoming projects I have in the works, you can follow me on social media, both on Facebook and on Instagram. I will have those both linked in the description box below. After my boards were completely sanded down nice and smooth, I went back with my Jacobin wood stain by Minwax, my absolute favorite wood stain. I have used it everywhere in the house. All of the furniture and wood signs that I create, I use this wood stain. I also have a full tutorial on how to apply wood stain. If you'd like to check that out after this video, I'll have that linked up in the iCards as well as the description box below. Next, it was time to paint the hardware. I used a flat black spray paint that I picked up from Walmart for only $1 a can. And then the hardware that I'll be painting is actually just L brackets that I've bought at Home Depot, and they're 4-inch size and about $2 each. Both sides of these brackets got 2 coats of spray paint. Once the brackets were dry, it was time to install them, and this is a look at some of the supplies I used to attach them to the wall. For each shelf, I used 3 brackets. So first I started by measuring out where I wanted those brackets to go. And I measured out from the wall about 4 inches on each side, and then found the center of the wall and marked my spot there as well. I lined up my brackets on the wall where I had marked and added 1 screw for the time being so I could straighten it out with my level. Once I had 1 screw through the bracket and secured to the wall, I came back with my level to level the bracket out, and that way I could secure it with 2 more screws. I continued this process for the rest of the remaining brackets. I also have an online Etsy shop. If you're interested in one-of-a-kind and handmade wood signs and home decor, you can check out crossinmyheart.com, or I will link that in the description box below. Once my brackets were all in place, I added the wood shelf and again made sure that the brackets were level before I moved on to adding the top brackets. I repeated the same process, measuring over 4 inches and up the same distance from the bottom so that my shelves would be level. Once all of the brackets were installed, I was able to set my wood shelves in place. I secured the wood shelves to the brackets using 3/4 inch wood screws. And here is a look at the wood floating shelves installed and ready to be used.
So I hope that this project inspired you. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. You can also share this with your friends and family and inspire them as well. Hit the subscribe button. I do DIY tutorials every single Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. You can also hit the bell so that you can notify when my videos do go live. And leave me a comment down below. If you were to create these shelves, where would you put them in your home? I'd love to know. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.